Hey all, and welcome to Real Ale Britain. Folks, tonight I got another beer for you. This one comes all the way from Belgium, and it's ORVAL, okay? And it comes in at 6.2% ABV. It's a Trappist ale. I've never had this before. I've seen so many people talk about it. This is a beer from Beerhus, purchased in June time. So it looks absolutely fantastic. So it's just been sitting there, calming itself down, ready to be drank. One thing I do love is the shape of the bottle, but also the bottle cap as well. Alright, so let's crack this bad boy open. Let's see what this beer is like. No, it seems to be a bit lively. So let me just get this. We're going to have to do this very carefully. Excellent. Okay, so sorry about that. It's quite lively. Straight in with the pour. So this beer is pouring with really, really good carbonation, folks. Look at that. I'm just going to have to stop there. Again, this beer has been sitting for nearly 4.5 months. So look at that. That has poured with a 4-finger head. Really titty pat bubbles. Some loose bubbles as well. And it's got a wonderful, very, very light golden colour, but I don't know if you can see that, but the carbonation is really, really rising up. Now, the first thing am I getting in the nose is it's smelling very, very much like a cider. Interesting. There's also some very, very sweet malts. It does smell like Belgian yeast. It's a really good, nice smell too. There's no way that I'm getting a true reflection on this beer because of the size of the head. So let me see if I can just bring that down a bit. The other thing you're getting on the nose too is some lemon. And there's this wonderful white pepper starting to develop. Right, let me see if I can top this up just a tiny bit. I'm going to try and go in here for the taste. Bear with me. Okay. So the first thing you're picking up is a really, really strong malt base. There's golden syrup there. There's a lot of wheat present. There is cloves. There's some lemon. You're getting that kind of bubblegum yeastiness. There's lemon sherbet. There is a little bit of lemongrass. But what is really, really unique is that there's this really, I wouldn't say intense lemon, but it's like lemon and cloves, that kind of mixture together. Imagine that in hot water, and things kind of start to dissolve and flavours start to develop. Excuse me, it's got it in this beer. The beer itself seems very, very fresh. But it is very, very, very carbonated. I like that kind of white pepper spiciness which is starting to develop. So what's the finish like? The finish is very, very fresh, with a nice malt base followed off with a wonderful lemon and clove light dry bitterness. Folks, what do I give for this Orval at 6.2% ABV? This to me, folks, it's a decent beer. It is very drinkable, yes. Would I buy it again? I would, but I wouldn't say it's my favourite Belgian beer. For me, it's a 6 out of 10. A 6 out of 10. That's Really Britain doing a review on Orval at 6.2%. Cheers. Slam a car.